Guys, welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, if y'all would like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell, I have got some pretty good news for you guys, for me. And if you guys like us, you like our family, if it's good for us, you guys will love it too. But last night I officially worked my last night shift, hopefully ever, at least for a long time. So finally got on the day shift rotation at work, so there will be no more crazy shift work. You guys didn't know, before I would work 2 weeks of days and 2 weeks of nights every month. Obviously we did not broadcast that a lot, just because I didn't want people to know that I wasn't here at night, you know. But now, last night I worked my last one. I start day shift. So we are all pretty excited about that. Now after we feed these animals, I'm going to get a little bit of input from y'all and show you my next project coming up this week. Now I've never done this before and I don't know exactly when to start, but I know some of y'all will know, so I'm going to ask you. What's up, Rainbow? Thor, what's up, buddy? Where you been? He must have been crawled up in that hay because he wasn't at the door when we opened it, I don't think. Was you over there? I don't think so. I think you were laid up in that hay, buddy. You're crazy. Hold the door. Hold the door. Hold the door. Hold it. Whoa. Alright, well, let's head on over and I'll show you what I got, show you my plans, and try to get a little input from y'all.
They won't eat the ones in there.
What's up, guys? What's that for?
I be sissy and horse.
What?
She spelled horse, I spelled H-O, I think.
Sissy. Whoa, is this true?
Yeah, because we're changing the rules because it was too hard.
What rules did you change?
If it hits the thing that's red up there and it falls off, we get a letter. It's hard. And I beat Sissy by that.
Huh. So you didn't actually play if it goes in and then the other one misses it. You didn't play that way, the way me and Mama played?
No.
No.
We mixed up the rules because it was too hard to know if we got a letter.
Oh, okay. All right, well, I'm going to show you what I got here in the back of the truck and see if you guys can guess real quick. So what I got here is this Husky plastic sheeting wrap. It looks gray, but it's clear when it gets unfolded. You can bring it in the shop, Sissy. Did you just make that?
It's so cold today. It was so warm yesterday.
I know. So my plans are, you can set it down right there. Is this going to brighten up a little bit? I have to step out here a little bit. There we go. Now you can see me. So what my plans are is taking this old chicken tractor right here. Taking this old chicken tractor right here. Taking the tarp off and making us a little greenhouse out of it. So my plan is for that, and we got just a ton of these buckets I get. Like we got a pile right there that I've been rinsing out. I had some fish in them from cleaning the crappie and stuff. But my plan is get that greenhouse going, pull it out here in the open, kind of by where we're going to have our garden at. See, we got a hydrant right there. So we'll pull it out here, wrap it all up, get it nice and tight, and then see if we can get some tomatoes and stuff started in these buckets. But I don't know exactly when to start them. Never done any greenhouse stuff before. I would imagine really about any time, but I'm not 100% sure on that. So if you guys know the best time to start just some little plants in buckets in a greenhouse, best time of the year to do that, drop it in the comments below and let us know, because this will be our first year with a greenhouse. So hopefully we can get it going and we can get some nice tomatoes started and all that, because they really didn't do great last year. We need to get them started early this year. We may leave them in those buckets if it works out great. So, what's up, sissy? You want to play Hunter again?
No. I'll play pig. I'm cold. I have no pants on.
Play pig. I just put down, I'll beat ya.
No, I had no pants on. I'm cold.
Come on.
Let's see your shot.
Hunter, what if got you a ladder?
Boom.
Let's see how I can make out the backboard. Here we go. This and the backboard.
I'll make one shot.
Oh, okay. What if we miss it?
I don't know.
Uh-oh, you might want to play him. Looking pretty good, sis.
Shot.
Oh, whoa, one more shot. All right, let's see it, sis.
Jump from there. Let's see.
No.
Hey.
Oh, backboard almost went in.
Let's see how I make off the backboard. Let's see if I can make off the backboard.
You better scoot over. Oh. Hey, right? Nope. Scoot to the left. Scoot up a little bit. Left. Right there. That's where you need to be to hit it off the backboard. See?
Oh, I gotta try that.
I know that one. Going. If I go like this.
You knew that would?
Okay, so
I think
where?
I want it better.
Right here?
Yep, right in there. You gotta have a good angle. Aim right at them double lines. There we go. Perfect.
Let's see if I can make that on this side.
Nope. Oh, well, you guys can see these kids have been wearing this goal out since we put it up. Probably gonna need a new net pretty soon, because they just, I mean, Hunter's out here all the time. Hallie, she's not out here as much, but that's probably why Hunter beat her. I told her if she wasn't out here practicing, little brother was gonna get better and gonna beat her.
And
Didn't I tell you that? And what did you say, Hunter?
And I beat her.
See? Gotta practice to get better, don't you?
Practice, you'll lose. If you practice, you'll win.
I said you don't get better just sitting on the couch. If you want to get better. Now, if you don't, that's fine. But if you want to play basketball, if you want to be good, you want to be better,
Yesterday,
it takes
Sis
practice.
was laying down, and I've been out here practicing.
You never came out here yesterday?
I did.
Oh.
I was playing out here almost all day yesterday.
Okay. All right, well, if you guys...
Hey, basketball.
I played a couple rounds with him. And me and Hunter made a couple goals and we started playing.
Alrighty, well, if you guys know all the details I need to know about this greenhouse, drop it in the comments below. Like I said, about what time of the year should we start planting tomatoes and, golly, and peppers and, you know, all the stuff we can plant in buckets. Just let us know, and we'll be glad to take that into consideration. We'd love the advice. We've never done these greenhouses before, so that would definitely be helpful for us. I better get inside right now, because we are actually making 2 videos today. You will probably see the roll one first. Lindy's in there making some great rolls. If you guys have not checked out that video, go check out that video. It's a shorter video.
I made it right here.
Nice. But I ain't joking with you guys. They are seriously the best rolls, and they are so quick to make. An hour from start to finish. And that takes 2 periods of 20 to 25 minutes of rise time. And then like 13 minutes of bake time, and then a little bit of prep work. They're so easy, so simple, that I think I could even do it. No, but I don't know. But all right, guys, you want to help close out this video, buddy?
Yes.
All right, let's do it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching again. If you guys like this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet,
Like and subscribe.
what, buddy? Look right here. Tell them.
To like and subscribe.
Make sure you all like and subscribe. And until next time, whoa. Until next time.
Bye.
And?
Bye.
And?
Bye.
And God bless.
Bye. Bye.